What's going on, everybody? It's William Padilla Brown, aka Mycosymbiote, and we're here at the crib. We're getting everything prepared for our trip to Europe. I'm going to be stopping in Spain, as you all know if you've been watching the videos, and then I'm going to be heading over to Italy, where I'll be doing a DNA barcoding course and a 2-day mushroom cultivation course in collaboration with Eyeside Farms. So, as you've seen from the title in this video, we're going to be unboxing some stuff from Mini PCR. Shouts out to Mini PCR. I've been working with them for about 4 or 5 years now. We've had an affiliation. You can use my code MYCO5 if you want to get a little discount on minipcr.com. They've been helping out with our classes, so every year they give us some supplies so that we can teach classes about molecular biology. So since I'm gearing up to go teach this class on DNA barcoding in Italy, I figured I would need some gear. So if you guys want to check out what I got for my trip, then let's get into it.
Welcome to Permaculture Poppy, aka Mycosymbiote's world. Reconnect, regenerate, rebel from the culture of hate. Let's grow, propagate, and myceliate. Watch, like, subscribe, go outside.
All right, we got the big box from Mini PCR.
I'm getting there. There we go. I was getting the box there, not even the tape.
Alrighty. We've got some documentation here. And off top, the reason that this box is so big in the first place is because I got myself an official Mini PCR travel case. I've been using a Pelican case that I rigged out myself, but now I have this full travel case to protect all my molecular biology gear. I can put everything all into one container, and everything has its own slots. You can see here this other Pelican that I rigged out for my PCR equipment, my Mini PCR equipment. This is the original Mini 8, or I don't know if it's the original one, but it's one of the earlier model Mini 8s. Also, shouts out to the folks over at the Odin. They've helped us out with some supplies so that we can do some molecular biology on truffles, do some barcoding on truffles when we're in Europe. A space in here for all the wires and everything, which I'll get all loaded up in there soon. So this does increase my form factor of my travel kit, which I can still go back to this if I need a small pack, but this does allow me to keep everything organized, which I would have had to pack all this other gear anyways, like the pipette tips, my pipettes, everything. I would have had to pack separate from my Pelican, so this way I can keep everything organized together. Nice, it's got some feet there too. And it's got a strap I can attach so I can carry it around my shoulder. It also has feet on the bottom, so you can really sit it either way. All right, we got 1 bottle of TBE, which I'll be using for doing gel electrophoresis. We have sea green tablets, which are agarose tablets, which I will also be using for gel electrophoresis for visualizing the DNA. All right, and we have our perishable container, which I'm gonna go get into the fridge and freezer for whatever needs to go wherever. Let's see what we got here. All right, we have our Fast DNA Ladder 1. We have our DPX buffer. We have our PCR, Easy PCR Master Mix. And that's it. Yeah, we got 2 bottles of DPX buffer, 2 bottles of Master Mix, and 1 bottle of DNA Ladder. And everything else I need I got from the Odin, like my primers for bacteria and my primers for fungi. So I pretty much got everything I need. I'm gonna go stash this stuff away, keep it nice and cold. So that's it, pretty plain and simple. Mini PCR makes it super easy. You don't really need to travel with that much gear. You don't really need that much to do DNA extraction, amplification, and visualization. So that was my unboxing. That's pretty much all I need. I'll be doing another video showing you everything I'll be packing to take to Europe. So yeah, that's pretty much everything I need to do molecular biology on the go. I got the whole lab in a box kit, and I'll show you how we use it once we get to Italy. Check you there. Let's go.